Hey guys, today I want to talk exactly about how to sign high ticket clients in 2024 as a freelancer. So there's a lot of bad things and perceptions about being a freelancer, that you get paid essentially minimum wage, sometimes less, and it's like a race to the bottom, who can charge the least amount. And to be honest, that's just not the case. It doesn't need to be the case. A lot of people have made that the way it is because you're on Upwork, Fiverr, different things like that, and it's a very difficult thing to compete and to actually become the top 1% of highly paid freelancers on the likes of Upwork and Fiverr. It's so difficult to get to that point. Now, instead, I'm going to show you the routes how you can actually become a high income freelancer and get and sign high ticket clients to the point where you'll only need three to replace your income essentially. Right, so I'm actually going to dive into it right now. Let's go on to my backup account. So there's no random suggestions. I rarely go on this and so on. And I'll show you exactly how I do it. So let me get myself over here. Let's say here, right? And so we'll go on to a page. Let's say Logan here. Let's take the suggested, and I'll go into the people he follows, right? So basically, you can even go to my page as well, right? Look up me, my main account, go into the people I follow. You can then go and find business owners. So scroll through here. I'll find a lot of people that, do landing pages and so on. But scroll through here and find larger business owners, right? Let me get someone for you now. Let's take up the top. Let's take Leo, for example, right? Leo, 1.4k followers, Instagram, Google Ads, perfect. He's a business owner. Let's follow him, right? Then you can go into the people he follows. He's just going to follow more business owners, right? So you'll end up going down a route that's an endless, it's an endless amount of business owners essentially, right? So let's go into Ignacio here, B2B lead generation expert. Again, business owner. Let's go further. Nick Abraham, 21,000 followers. We're getting up in the follower count, and he's a business owner. 5,000 active users, 100 plus active clients. So if we follow Nick, right, and he's clearly a big client, or he would be a big client, he would be able to afford your services high ticket. Now, if he wanted to find someone that's cheap, he would go to Upwork and Fiverr. However, you want to charge high ticket, right? So you're going to DM him and you're going to pitch him, essentially, right? By you having can I even message him here? Oh, because I'm not verified. Okay, so I haven't paid the $10 on this account to message other people. But let's say we go on there and we message him, right? We have our account verified. It's like $10 a month maybe. It's worth doing to be able to do endless amounts of outreach. But we'll send him a message saying, oh, hey Nick, so you have a SaaS company. Your landing page really could be optimized. I've been working with X client and building landing pages with X amount of years, and I've scaled businesses' conversion rates from 1% to 3% on average. Would you be cool, or are you interested in this offer? Right, you could say something like that. Keep it simple, keep it straightforward. But you're talking about what you're capable of achieving for him, and that you're showing competence because you've been doing it for X amount of time. So that is a perfectly fine way of reaching out to business owners, finding people online. To be honest, it's something that people don't do enough. I've never seen anyone else talk about this strategy. It's a simple outreach strategy. You can find 100 people a day and send that message to 100 different people. The bigger the account, the better. The more legit they look, the better. And the more money they make, the better. And you might say, Mike, why wouldn't they still just go to Upwork and Fiverr? And the reason being is quality, trust, and social presence. So if you're building up your social presence here on Twitter and you have 10,000 followers after a few months, I got 10,000 followers, I think, in like maybe 4 months, I don't know, around that. So you can get to that point very, very quickly if you're working hard with your content. Now, immediately there's a trust factor, because 10,000 people trust you. He's obviously going to trust you, right? Rather than someone on Upwork who's charging only $3 an hour for their services, and they only have 2 reviews, right? So that's the difference, and that's why you can charge more and actually demand more money for your time. And that's the biggest difference, okay? So when doing this as well, build your social presence, follow people, comment on different accounts. This is the easiest way to do it and to build trust. Your quality needs to be impeccable. You need, if you're selling landing pages, for example, or copywriting, whatever it may be, you need previous examples of your work. You have to have case studies. You have to have proof of concept, proof that you can do the job. Not just followers will get you to that point. But if you start working with people for free in the beginning, imagine you DM'd Nick there and you're saying, I want to work for free for you. I'm in the beginning phases of my journey. I'm just going to build you a landing page. If you like it, let's run it. If not, don't worry. Okay? So either way, if he doesn't like it and he doesn't want it, you can still showcase it to people that question your ability, right? If you're happy with it. And if he does like it, you have a fantastic case study there, because he's clearly going to convert. He's clearly going to get more and more clients. You will have the data, you will have the analytics of that page, and you can use that as a massive case study. He might even give you a testimonial. And if he's very happy with you, he'll give you referrals as the time goes on. So I'm naming so many different places that you can get clients that are high ticket, right? And again, these people can afford these prices of $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. I even saw someone charging $15,000 for a website the other day. Like, people do pay these prices. You just need to understand who they are. The cheap ones will go to the likes of Upwork and Fiverr, where you have to compete for the lowest price wins, essentially. All right. But the ones that want the highest quality possible will go to places like Twitter. They'll be on places like LinkedIn and so on, and YouTube even. Okay, so that's where you'll find your high ticket clients. Now, reach out to 100 people a day, get some free work in the beginning, then you'll have even more credibility going forward. It's as simple as that. Nobody is doing this, literally. Like, people are not doing this enough. Finding people that way, putting their offer forward with social proof, with credibility, and an online and personal brand built behind them. So follow this. If you want to understand how to actually build your online presence quickly and get like 10,000 followers in a matter of months, like I did, and a lot of my students have as well. Actually, I saw him here. Osh, we've helped him build his business from 5 followers to now 15.7k followers. He's doing 10 to 20,000 a month, depending on the month and so on. But he's absolutely killing it. You know, 6-figure earner now, no issue whatsoever. He's only doing this. He's not even doing this a year. So yeah, absolutely killing it and really attacking the game. So if you do want help, you can do this for free, absolutely, and follow, my other videos and so on. But if you want to accelerate that process and learn from people that have done it, like myself and Osh and different people like that, you can join and apply to my program. The link will be down below in the description in the comments, so check that out and book a call. It's a free call with me you can book. We'll talk about your scenario, we'll see if you're a good fit, and see if I feel like I can get you the results that you're capable of getting. So we'll talk to you there. Take care. I hope this video helps. Check out my other ones. Subscribe, it would mean a lot to me as well, and like the video. Take care. Thank you.